guys, Redstone here. Today I'm actually gonna do a time lapse of this 3D print. Sorry I won't get the best angle. We can see how the print head moves and stuff. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. The time lapse will be starting now. Bye! Hey guys, Redstone here, and I'm just gonna retrieve the thing. If you haven't seen the time lapse, it's actually gonna be in the video. So I'm actually gonna get my little scraper here. Spray. Yep, that's not happening. I'm gonna let it cool down for a sec. Yeah, that's not coming off. Okay. Just looking at it, it looks amazing. So yeah. Maybe I can take it off. Oh yeah, that's glued on there. I'll try to get it off. Okay, I'm getting it off. Sorry. Okay, here it is. This is the aftermath. It actually feels very solid. It's the aftermath. It's about. It actually looks very cool. The time lapse will be in the middle of the video, so hope you liked it. Or it might be the ending. Yeah, I'll just put it in the end. So yeah, hope you like this. I think this is the result. It looks amazing. Got this off of Thingiverse. Took around 3 hours to make. And yeah. Recommended this file. It looks amazing. It's from the 3D printer, which I'm going to show you. So, hope you enjoy this video. And thank you for watching. And